is a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the Stoner Degree. Let's get started today. So from what you see, we are doing another food review. I'm taking a version of my own type of pizza, and I'm going to be creating it into something special. Also on the side, we will be making shrimp tempura, which is going to be another food review. We have the pizza already out. I am going to be seasoning it, but not putting any toppings on top of it. So I'll be adding salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. So as you can see, I have put the pizza on a metal tray with aluminum foil to put it inside the oven for 420 degrees. The Stoner Degree, guys. And now we bake it off, guys. In the meantime, we're going to be cooking the shrimp. I have my oven set at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. We're not going for fancy, guys. We're just going for cooking. And now we wait. Guys, let's check on this pizza. Oh my god, guys, it looks amazing. Holy snap. That looks great. Oh my god. I can't wait to take a bite of this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Sorry we didn't get any food shots of eating the actual food this time. We hope you guys like and subscribe and share and follow us on Facebook.
When they were big and men did run, being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet, like stomachs groaned and moaned away. All you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone, scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just saw